In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom navigation menus in Ghost CMS. By the end, you'll know how to add, edit, and reorder links in your site's header and footer so visitors can find what they need quickly. Start by opening your browser and searching for Ghost CMS. From the search results, click through to Ghost or go directly to your site's Ghost admin URL. Once you're there, log into your admin dashboard. If you have multiple sites, make sure you're logged into the correct one before moving on. Inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Settings, then select Design. This is where Ghost controls the look and feel of your site. On the Design page, you'll see two navigation areas. The first is Navigation, which powers the primary links, usually in your site's header. The second is Secondary Navigation, often used in the footer or other theme-specific locations. Choose the area you want to work with and click Customize. To add a new menu item, click to add a new item and you'll see two fields. The first is the label. This is the text visitors will see in the menu, so keep it clear and concise. Things like Home, About, Blog, or Contact work well. The second field is the URL, which is where the link points. You can use a full URL, such as https://example.com, when you're linking to another site. For pages within your Ghost site, use a relative URL that starts with a / like About for a page, or Tag News for a tag archive. Double-check spelling, leading slashes, and trailing slashes to avoid broken links. If you need to change something you've already added, simply click an existing item to edit its label or URL. Ghost updates the fields right in place, so it's quick to fix typos or rename a link as your content evolves. To change the order of your menu, drag and drop the items until they're in the sequence you want. Put your most important pages toward the beginning so they're easier to find. Keep the list focused. Fewer, clearer links generally perform better. When you're happy with your changes, click Save to apply your navigation updates. Give your site a refresh to confirm everything looks good. If a link isn't appearing where you expect, remember that some themes position menus differently, and you may be editing the secondary navigation instead of the primary one. That's it. You've created custom navigation menus in Ghost CMS with confidence and clarity.